In the fast-paced world of modern living, innovative gadgets make life simpler, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a tech-savvy driver, or someone looking for efficient storage solutions, these carefully curated gadgets cater to a variety of needs. From enhancing your car's utility to providing tools for convenience and safety, here's a roundup of 20 ingenious gadgets designed to elevate your experience. FullShade 2.0. Beat the heat with FullShade 2.0, the ultimate car sunshade system designed to keep your car interior cool and protected. Engineered for maximum coverage, it blocks out harmful UV rays, preventing sun damage to your seats and dashboard. The innovative design allows for easy installation, fitting snugly onto your windshield without the need for additional tools. When not in use, FullShade 2.0 folds down to a compact size, making it easy to store in your car. Whether you're parked at the beach in a busy city lot or just outside your home, this sunshade ensures a cooler, more comfortable experience when you return to your vehicle. With FullShade 2.0, you can protect your car and enhance your comfort all year round. Quick Connect. Meet Quick Connect, the revolutionary system for fast and secure connections. Designed for versatility, it's perfect for automotive, industrial, or household applications. With its easy snap-on mechanism, you can connect hoses, cables, or tools in seconds, eliminating the hassle of complex setups. Built for durability, Quick Connect ensures a tight, leak-free seal every time, making it ideal for both professional and DIY use. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction means it's easy to handle while withstanding heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're upgrading your car, setting up a workshop, or tackling home improvement projects, Quick Connect saves you time and effort, letting you focus on what matters most. Get connected the smart way. Twist Boxes. Transform your storage game with Twist Boxes, the versatile, stackable solution for keeping your essentials organized and secure. These durable containers feature a unique twisting mechanism for a secure closure, ensuring your items stay protected even during transport. Perfect for storing tools, cables, crafting supplies, or small gadgets, Twist Boxes help you maintain order in your workspace or vehicle. The compact, lightweight design makes them easy to carry and store, while the stackable feature saves space and enhances efficiency. Whether you're a professional on the go or a DIY enthusiast, Twist Boxes provide the ultimate solution for safe, organized storage. Say goodbye to messy toolkits and scattered items with Twist Boxes. Everything has its place. KRASER, KR882Y. For those who value safety and convenience, the KRASER KR882Y is a game changer. This compact and portable air compressor is perfect for inflating tires, sports balls, and more, making it an essential tool for drivers, campers, and adventurers. With its easy-to-read digital display and preset functions, you can effortlessly monitor and control the pressure for optimal performance. Its robust build ensures durability, while the fast inflation speed saves you time in emergencies. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, so it's always ready when you need it. Keep the KRASER KR882Y in your vehicle, and you'll never worry about flat tires or deflated equipment again. With this handy device, safety and convenience are always within reach. LITESTIX LS36 SMD. Illuminate your workspace with the LITESTIX LS36 SMD, a powerful LED light strip designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This ultra-bright 36-inch light features advanced SMD technology for consistent, high-output lighting that ensures you see every detail. Its lightweight, flexible design makes it easy to maneuver, while the included magnetic mounts let you attach it to any metal surface. Whether you're working under the hood of your car, in a dimly lit garage, or setting up camp in the wilderness, the LITESTIX LS36 SMD delivers reliable, bright lighting where you need it most. With a durable build and energy-efficient design, this light strip is built to last and perfect for any task, big or small. Never let poor lighting slow you down again. CargoTech Pro. Secure your cargo like a pro with CargoTech Pro, the ultimate organization system for your car trunk or truck bed. Featuring sturdy corner brackets and a non-slip base, it keeps your items in place while you drive, no matter how sharp the turns or bumpy the roads. From groceries to sports gear, work tools to pet supplies, CargoTech Pro ensures nothing slides around or gets damaged. It's quick and easy to install and remove, allowing you to adapt your trunk space for any occasion. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand wear and tear, making it perfect for everyday use or long road trips. Say goodbye to cluttered trunks and enjoy a stress-free journey with CargoTech Pro, your reliable partner for keeping things organized. Opel FlexFix. Are you tired of bulky bike racks that take up too much space in your car? Meet the Opel FlexFix, an integrated bike carrier designed to make your life easier. Hidden within the rear bumper of select Opel vehicles, this innovative rack slides out effortlessly when needed. With a capacity for 2 bikes and optional extensions for more, it's perfect for family trips or solo adventures. The installation requires no tools or additional equipment, making it one of the most user-friendly bike racks on the market. Plus, its sturdy build ensures your bikes remain secure while driving. When you're done, simply slide it back into the bumper and it's out of sight, maintaining your car's sleek design. Convenience, safety, and style, all in one package with the Opel FlexFix. Say goodbye to cumbersome bike racks and hello to seamless travel. Cargo carriers. Expand your vehicle's storage capacity with cargo carriers, the perfect solution for transporting bulky items. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, these carriers minimize wind resistance and noise while maximizing storage space. Whether you're carrying luggage, sports equipment, or camping gear, cargo carriers keep your items secure and protected from the elements. Installation is simple and compatible with most roof racks, making them a versatile choice for any vehicle. Durable materials and a sleek design ensure they're both functional and stylish. Make every journey more convenient with cargo carriers, the ultimate travel companion. Logi Q. Simplify your workspace with Logi Q, an intelligent organization system designed to enhance productivity. Featuring modular compartments and cable management solutions, Logi Q keeps your desk tidy and your devices easily accessible. Perfect for professionals and students, this sleek system is customizable to fit your unique needs. Whether you're managing gadgets, documents, or office supplies, Logi Q ensures everything has its place. Its modern design blends seamlessly into any environment, adding both functionality and style. Upgrade your workspace with Logi Q and experience the difference of a clutter-free, efficient setup. Aluminium Leveller. Achieve precision in every project with the Aluminium Leveller, a tool designed to ensure your work is perfectly aligned. Built with lightweight yet durable aluminum, this leveler is ideal for construction, DIY projects, and home renovations. Its clear, easy-to-read measurements and bubble indicators make leveling a breeze, even for beginners. Whether you're hanging shelves, laying tiles, or building furniture, the Aluminium Leveller guarantees accuracy and professional results. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and store, so you're always prepared for your next project. Upgrade your toolkit with the Aluminium Leveller and take the guesswork out of your tasks. Dog Kennel. Keep your furry friend safe and comfortable with the Dog Kennel, designed for both travel and home use. Featuring a sturdy frame and reinforced panels, this kennel provides a secure space for pets of all sizes. The ample ventilation ensures proper airflow, while the soft interior padding adds an extra layer of comfort. Easy to assemble and lightweight, it's perfect for car trips, outdoor excursions, or simply providing a cozy spot at home. The durable, easy-to-clean materials make maintenance a breeze. Whether you're heading to the vet, the park, or on a long road trip, the Dog Kennel is your go-to solution for traveling safely with your beloved pet. Sliding Roof Rack. Upgrade your vehicle with the Sliding Roof Rack, a versatile and user-friendly solution for carrying extra cargo. Its innovative sliding mechanism allows for easy loading and unloading, saving you time and effort on every trip. Designed for strength and durability, this roof rack can handle everything from bikes and kayaks to luggage and camping gear. The aerodynamic design minimizes wind resistance, ensuring a smoother drive and improved fuel efficiency. Installation is straightforward, with adjustable settings to fit a variety of vehicles. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or just need extra storage for a weekend getaway, the sliding roof rack makes every adventure hassle-free and enjoyable. Discover the convenience of a smarter, more efficient cargo solution. Trailed tanks. Take your adventures further with trailed tanks, the rugged and portable water storage solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Made from durable, high-quality materials, these tanks are built to withstand the toughest conditions. Multiple spout options allow for easy pouring, whether you're staying hydrated, washing equipment, or refilling a camp shower. The compact design ensures they're easy to secure in your vehicle or on your gear rack. With a capacity to hold ample water, trailed tanks are perfect for off-road trips, camping, or any outdoor activity where water access is limited. Stay prepared and enjoy your adventures with the reliable performance of trailed tanks. Each of these gadgets brings something unique to the table, combining functionality with innovation. Whether you're hitting the road, organizing your space, or upgrading your gear, there's something here for everyone. Explore these tools and let them transform your day-to-day activities into seamless and enjoyable experiences.